What is a metaclass in Python? In Python, a metaclass is a class that defines the behavior of other classes. It is like a template or a blueprint for classes. When you create a class, Python uses its metaclass to create and initialize the class object. Here is an example of defining metaclass in Python. We have a class MyMeta which is inheriting type class. Inside it, we have defined a dunder method with four arguments: cls, name, basis, attrs. We are having a print statement where we are creating classes, name of the class with base classes, printing the tuple containing the name of the base classes. Return, we are returning, we are calling the constructor of type class, and we are passing argument to the current dunder method new, which is cls name base attrs. Again, we are creating a second class MyClass. For this second new MyClass, MetaClass is MyMeta. Inside this class, we are not doing anything, therefore a pass statement. When you click on this cell and run the cell, you are creating class. Which class? MyClass with the base classes. We didn't specify the base classes, therefore the tuple was empty. In the above example, we defined a meta class called MyMeta by subclassing type. The new underscore underscore new underscore underscore method of MyMeta is called when we create a new class. It takes four arguments: CLS, the class object of the meta class; name, the name of the new class; basis, a tuple of base classes of the new class; attrs, a dictionary of attributes of new class. We then create a new class MyClass with MyMeta as its meta class. When we run the code, Python uses MyMeta to create and initialize the MyClass object. Meta classes are a powerful feature of Python. It allows you to modify the behavior of classes at runtime. They are often used in advanced Python applications such as frameworks, libraries, and DSLs, domain-specific languages. That's it for this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.